Ensure your Zillow listings always showcase the best of a property by mastering how to update its virtual home tour. Keeping your Zillow Home Tour current ensures potential buyers see the most accurate and appealing representation of a property. Reflecting any updates or staging changes first, you'll need to log into your Zillow account and navigate to your Agent Hub or the My Listings section. Once you're in your listings dashboard, locate the specific property listing for which you want to edit the virtual tour. You'll typically see an overview of all your active properties. Click on the Manage Listing or Edit Listing button associated with that particular property. This action will take you to the detailed editing interface for your chosen listing. Within the listing editor, find the section dedicated to photos and media, or specifically virtual tour. This is where all your property's visual assets, including the virtual tour, are managed. Here, you'll see various options to modify your tour. You can reorder the sequence of scenes, replace an outdated video with a new one, or completely remove the tour if it's no longer relevant. Choose the option that best suits your needs. If you're replacing the tour, you'll be prompted to upload your new video file for reordering. Simply click and drag individual segments to their desired positions. If deleting, confirm your action when prompted. After making your desired adjustments, always remember to click the Save Changes or Publish Updates button. This crucial step ensures your edits are applied and visible to potential buyers on the Zillow platform. By regularly updating your Zillow Home Tour, you maintain engaging and accurate presentations, which can significantly boost buyer interest and engagement. Keep your listings vibrant and up to date.